This video we will be adding new shipping methods to our checkout. So instead of jumping from step 1 to step 3, we have step 2 and we can choose which shipping method we want. Let's go.
Django and Python, JavaScript, tutorials for Jamie, this is Silva.
What the fuck, HTML?
There's only C.
Welcome back everyone. Django-Oscar, shipping, adding new shipping methods, part 8. Gonna leave the link in the description in case you want to follow from there. So in the previous video, we forked the shipping app from Django-Oscar, and we have created our own forked app, let's say, named My Shipping. We also have created two files, methods and repository. And now we are gonna make some changes, let's say, to the original code, but from the forked app. Okay. Now what we want is to create new shipping methods. Let's take a look on the store. Okay, I have already one item in the cart, but I'm just going to the checkout. And if you notice, the default behavior is jumping from step 1 to step 3. Okay. Because we didn't define any shipping methods. So in this video, we will use our forked app to define different shipping methods. Let me go to the text editor. We can start by methods. Going to open the post where I am following. And yeah, we'll drag it to my other screen. Let's start by creating standards. It will inherit from methods dot fixed price. And yeah, we already need to import from Oscar dot apps dot shipping import methods, just like that. Now let's give it a code. Yeah, standard, just like that. A name. So this is the name that will show in the front end. So let's make it standard shipping. And now we need to define the value of the shipping. So let's make it 5. I changed the currency to euros, so this represents 5 euros. And let's make this a decimal value. So from decimal, import decimal as D. Now let's put that. Yeah, for some reason it's showing everything already in the help. Okay, and after that, the charge including the tags. I'm just going to put the same value for both. So it's always 5 euros. Okay, this is the method we have created. But now we need to add to the repository. I'm going to add it already. I'm not sure if it will show up if you only have one method, but let's try. So let's create the class repository and inherit from repository itself. So we need to import this repository from oscars.apps.shipping.repository import repository. Perfect. And then let's define the methods, which we also need to import. So from methods in the same directory, let's import simply everything. And in here, we can pass in standard like that. Let's send it with a comma, save that. Now, I'm not sure if it shows up already, but let's test. Going to reload that. Ship to this address. No, it doesn't show yet. It will just include the shipping value in the end of the payment. Let's test that. Okay, I'm going to use the sandbox account. And yes, €5 and 92. I'm going to cancel anyway. Yeah, it's still with pounds, surprisingly. Even though we changed it to euros, this book is still in pounds. So it forces the cart to be in pounds, including the shipping. So there you go. But, and in the end, it's converting to euros in my PayPal account. I'm just going to use all with euros. Let's test that again. So check out, ship to this address. We continue jumping from 1 to 3. And now we should have €20. So the shipping plus the price of the product. Good. But let's add another method. So I'm going to actually copy everything. Just change the names. So from standard, let's make it express or anything that would apply, and express shipping. But express shipping is going to be €10. Okay. Don't forget, you need to add to the repository the new shipping method. So it's named express and end it with a comma. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I have deleted a parenthesis, but now it should be working. Bookstore. I'm going to repeat the process. View cart. Proceed to checkout. Ship to this address. And now you can select which method you prefer. Okay, let's try with express shipping. The price of the book is 15 and express shipping is 10, so we need to expect €25. There you go. We could even complete this order just to make sure that everything is working correctly. Cart total €15, shipping charge, express shipping or shipping method, shipping charge €10, total €25. So there you go, an application of forking an app. This one was quite simple. We can add more methods, more shipping methods. Now, in the next video, I'm planning to explain you how you can calculate your shipping charge based on the weight of a product, which is a common case. For now, this is it. I hope you liked this video and it was really useful for you. Thank you for all the support. I appreciate. And yeah, bye.